The much debated upon and now famous because of its controversial statements regarding its availability for use to the general public, the Calabri font's definition on Wikipedia says, Calabri is a sans serif typeface family designed by Luc de Groot in 2004 and released to the general public in 2007 with Microsoft Office 2007 and Windows Vista. It was a matter of concern and immense embarrassment to the Pakistani nation that Wikipedia had to finally protect the Calabri Wikipedia page from being edited again and again as people siding against the law were attempting to tamper with one of the important findings that trust deeds pertaining to the Panama Papers case presented to the court by Maryam Nawaz were fraudulent and misguiding and employed the Calabri font before it was officially launched on January 31, 2017. Wikipedia protected the page from being edited till July 18, 2017 or till the case it was being discussed in was closed. Robert Ridley, a forensic expert and head of Ridley Forensic Document Laboratory, who has also received an award for his services in IT, testified at the High Commission of Pakistan in London during the investigation carried out by the JIT that it was highly improbable that the font could have been used in 2016 while it was still unavailable to the general public. Hence, Maryam Nawaz, who has been claiming the authenticity of the trust deed and vouching that it was made in February 2006, has been giving a false statement. The trust deed, as testified by Ridley, could not be an authentic document and was definitely put together at a much later date because the Calabri font was made available as the default font in MS Word by Microsoft only on 31st January 2007. This was certainly not the only anomaly unearthed and brought to light by the Joint Investigation Team during the investigation of Sharif family's financial history, but the mere fact that the main documents submitted by Maryam Nawaz were discovered to be fake and fabricated immediately caught public attention. It certainly was amazing that the authenticity of the key documents was challenged by the court due to the use of the Calabri font, which was still in the development stage when the deed was formulated. The first public beta version, according to a Wikipedia entry, was released on June 6, 2006, close to 4 months after the papers were said to have been signed by Maryam Nawaz. In his findings included in the JIT report, Ridley stated, I have identified the type font used to produce both certified declarations as Calabri. However, the font was not commercially available before January 31, 2007, and as such, neither of the documents is correctly dated and appear to have been created at some later point in time. After Ridley's statement, Raja Akhtar, proprietor of the Quiz law firm in United Kingdom, was questioned by the court, and his statement was also recorded as saying that Quiz law firm was established in 1994 and the JIT approached the company requesting professional services on May 12, 2017 with regards to legal cooperation for the Panama Papers case in the Supreme Court of Pakistan. Quiz law firm was provided trust declarations for Nielsen Enterprises Limited, Nescol Limited and Comber Group, which were copies of the documents submitted to the Supreme Court. Quist further stated that it was confirmed from Freeman Box solicitors that the trust deed between Maryam Nawaz and Hussain Nawaz had been signed on February 4, 2006. Akhtar declared in his statement that he discovered innumerable irregularities and fraud in the copies of the documents provided to Quiz law firm besides the issue pertaining to usage of Calabri font. Ridley also questioned as to why would an absolutely unknown font be used for an official document in 2006. He was insistent that the deed signed by Maryam Nawaz was by no means made in 2006 as she suspiciously claimed. Further in his testimony, Ridley claimed that the document could not be prepared commercially before January 31, 2007. A star witness in the supplementary reference case filed against Maryam Nawaz and Captain Retired Safdar in the Avenfield apartment stated that the trust deed could have been made in Calabri font as it existed in 2006. But was available in limited quantity. However, what the witness fails to comprehend is that the font had not been made available to the general public. Who would take so much pain as to formulate an important official document in a font that was not common knowledge? The fact that every office has an official font for its documentation is also being overlooked. How can a solicitor use a new font when it is not available in the market? Earlier, Robert Ridley told the court that he had examined the possible change in dates on both documents and further informed the court that 4 stapler holes were found in the documents, which implied that the corner piece had been opened. He said that 2004 had been changed into 2006 and that a 6 had been replaced with a 4.